Integrated Development Environments, or IDEs, are software that includes a variety of development tools packaged in a comprehensive graphical user interface. Essentially, every IDE has a text editor and a compiler, allowing developers to write and edit code and create builds. Many IDEs, like PyCharm, specialize in specific programming languages, offering features like syntax highlighting and language-specific debugging and compiling. In contrast, other IDEs like Atom are generalists, offering the essential features for every language and allowing users to customize their instance of the software using plugins. Lastly, some IDEs, like Vim, eschew any features beyond even the most essential to create a lean, fast programming environment. IDEs also range from free open-source tools supported by active communities to premium tools backed by tech giants. When choosing between IDEs for your business, you'll have thousands of options to choose from. With that in mind, we've picked out some of the top-rated IDEs on TrustRadius to narrow down your choices. We'll go over best use cases, key features, limitations, and the cost of each product. One of the most popular IDEs is Microsoft's Visual Studio. While the software was initially designed to support Microsoft's languages C# and Visual Basic, it also includes support for C-based languages and web languages like JavaScript and CSS. Users that really like Visual Studio but work in other languages can also extend Visual Studio to work with other languages using plugins. Visual Studio is ideal for businesses that use C#, Visual Basic, or the .NET framework. For these use cases, Visual Studio offers the essential features of an IDE as well as specialized features such as pre-built templates for .NET projects. Developers can use Visual Studio to save a lot of time on building out Razor pages as well as models, views, and controllers. One of the biggest advantages of Visual Studio is ongoing support. Being built by Microsoft, Visual Studio is frequently updated and has a wealth of support resources available for businesses. Visual Studio has also been around for decades, so it's highly stable and offers a friendly user interface that has been iterated over repeatedly. However, Visual Studio does have some limitations when it comes to languages that aren't natively supported. If you want to code in something like Ruby, for example, you'll have to use a plugin to enjoy all of the advanced features Visual Studio offers C# and .NET. Because these plugins are typically built by third parties, Microsoft offers limited support for issues related to those plugins. Additionally, plugins can become deprecated, although most languages have a big enough user base that they will always have a usable plugin. Even when using C# or .NET, Visual Studio is a more demanding program compared to other IDEs, so businesses looking for a lightweight program will want to consider other options. Visual Studio is free for individuals, and business pricing ranges from $45 to $250 per month per user. Sublime Text is a great generalist IDE designed to be highly extensible on top of a simple base program. This IDE was written in Python and C++, but it supports every popular programming language. At its core, Sublime provides a minimalist text editor with syntax highlighting, but developers that use it for a specific language or develop a specific software can use plugins to customize the software to their needs. Sublime is an ideal tool for businesses with developers working in different languages or who want to customize the IDE for their work. Additionally, Sublime is a good tool for users that want a product that isn't demanding out of the box. Sublime is a lightweight program before plugins are added. The biggest advantage of Sublime is its customizability, and businesses can make Sublime work for almost any development need, and it can be used by multiple developers and be customized to the point that both are comfortable. Additionally, Sublime runs well on affordable hardware and offers high performance. Sublime's main limitation is that while it is highly customizable, most use cases will require you to spend time on customizing the software. While many specialized tools offer you all the advanced features you could ever want, Sublime requires you to determine those needs and find the plugins that meet them. If your needs are niche, it may be difficult to find the right plugin, and those plugins may become deprecated. Sublime Text offers a free trial for individuals, and there is not currently a time limit on that trial. Business rates for Sublime start at $65 per month. While the previous tools can be used for programming in a wide variety of languages, PyCharm is a highly specialized tool for Python development. Despite the specificity, it remains extremely popular because of its beloved feature set for Python development. PyCharm is best suited specifically for Python development, whether that be data science work or web development using a Python framework like Django or Flask. It can also be a good choice for businesses that work heavily in Python, even if they use other languages, as a supplement to other text editors or IDEs. The most important strength of PyCharm is its efficiency features. The software includes sophisticated code autocomplete and template code for Python. While other tools can become excellent Python development environments using plugins, PyCharm at its base is a strong Python tool, so businesses won't have to worry about plugin compatibility or third-party tools becoming deprecated. Additionally, they will have access to support for every aspect of the IDE. The key limitation of PyCharm is, of course, that it is only specialized for Python. It can be used for some other languages like JavaScript, but it will be fairly minimalist for those use cases without the benefits of most minimalist programs, since it still has all of the Python features you aren't using. Additionally, if you're looking for a minimalist Python tool, PyCharm may not be ideal. PyCharm starts at $89 per year for individuals and $199 per year for businesses. These are just 3 of many IDEs businesses have to choose from, but they exemplify some of the most common differentiators between products in this category: minimalist but extensible IDEs, specialized but inflexible IDEs, and all the hybrids in between. If you want to read more about IDEs, consider checking out the IDE category on trustradius.com. Major products in the category are filled with reviews from real users that share their opinions on products based on their experience and use case. If you liked this video and want to see more content like it, consider hitting the subscribe button so that you'll never miss an upload.